Good morning, boys and girls. Today's math problem is finding the mean, median, mode, and range. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to solve the problem after I read it. Emily is reading a 400-page book. She started reading the book on Monday. The table shows a number of pages she read each day. Here is your table, here's the days of the week, and here are the pages she read each day. I want you to find the mean, median, mode, and range of this data. Okay, you've had a couple minutes to find the answers, so we're going to start with mean. Remember, to find the mean of the data, think of the word average. We're going to add all the data values and divide by the number of values. So if we look at our table up here, we can see that we're going to add all the pages she read Monday through Saturday. So we're going to add those. 25, 40, 15, 30, 60, and 40. We're going to line them up and we're just going to do our addition. 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 10, plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 still gives us 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus 4 is 21. So the total number of pages that she read Monday through Saturday is 210. This is the first step in finding the mean of the problem. The next step is to take our total number of pages, 210, and divide it by the number of days that Emily read. She read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So we're going to divide the 210 pages by 6. 21 divided by 6 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18, so I'm going to subtract my 18 from 21. I cannot subtract 8 from 1, so I'm going to go next door to my neighbor and borrow. My 2 becomes a 1. My 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. I'm going to bring down my 0. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. So I subtract my 30 and I get a remainder of 0. So the mean for this problem is 35 pages. Check your answer and make sure that you came up with 35 as the mean. To find the median, we're going to put the numbers in order from our data table here. We're going to put our numbers in order from least to greatest. Then we're going to mark off high and low values until we reach the middle. So I'm going to write my data numbers in a list from least to greatest. We have 15, 25, 30, we have 40, 40, and 60. These numbers came from my data table that we started with. Now I have an order. I'm just going to start marking off from my highest and my lowest numbers. So I can take my 15 off and my 60, 25, and 40. Now we can see here that we have two numbers in the middle. We do not have one number directly in between the greatest and least number. So we are going to have to add 30 and 40 together and divide by 2 to find the median. So 30 plus 40, 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 4 is 70. I have 70. Now I'm going to divide 70 by 2 to find the median of this problem. 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm going to subtract my 6 from my 7, which gives me 1. Bring down my 0. Now I have 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract that and I get 0. So the median for this problem is 35. I check your answers. I hope you got that right as well. To find the mode, remember, think of the word most. What number is in your data set the most? So if we look at our data set of numbers, we can look at them and find out if there is one number there that is there the most. We can identify that 40 is there twice. So the mode for this data set is 40. Check your answers. I hope you got that one right as well. To find the range, we're going to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, and then we're going to subtract the lowest number from the highest number. So we've already put those in order, so we're just going to copy them down in order from least to greatest again. So I'm going to subtract my lowest number from my largest number. My largest number is 60. My least number is 15. I am going to subtract 15 from 60 to find the range of this data. I cannot subtract 5 from 0, so I'm going to borrow next door from my neighbor, make my 6 a 5. I'm going to make my 0 a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the range of this data set is 45. I hope you checked your answers. I hope you got them all right. We have been practicing this in class. Good job, and have a great rest of your day.